VSCode is a fast and easy way to access CSE from home. There are only 4 steps. Step 1. Download VSCode for your operating system. Step 2. Click on the extension icon on the left-hand side menu. Install the Remote Development extension. Step 3. Increase security. Open Settings by clicking on the cog in the bottom left corner. There are 2 settings to enable. Check Remote Server Listen on Socket. Check Lock Files in Temp. Then close and reopen VSCode. Final step is logging in. Click on the Remote Development icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Select Remote SSH, connect to host. Log in with your ZID and enter your Z password. And now you're ready to code. Thanks for watching.